Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to online class. Dear student, today we will deal with the preposition, chapter 19, preposition. Okay, we will see the definition of preposition. Preposition is a word which shows the relation between noun or pronoun and some another word or sentences. So preposition shows what? Relation between noun or pronoun or another words or sentences. Okay. For example, we will see I put the jug on the table. I put the jug on the table. So here preposition is on, which shows the relation between table and the jug. Okay, so jug is on the table. So on is preposition. We have three kinds of prepositions. One, preposition of time. Preposition is time indicates a specific period of time, such as month, date, time, and day. So preposition of time is what? It is a specific period of time. A specific period of time which shows month, day, time, and day. For example, I have to finish the work by tomorrow. I have to finish the work by tomorrow. So what is here preposition? By. Because it shows about by tomorrow. So it is the preposition of time. Now we will see the preposition of place. Preposition of place are used to refer to the place where something or someone is located. Preposition or refers to the place where something or someone is located. For example, I live in India. I live in India. So it shows that here preposition is in, which shows that where the person is located or where he lives. That is shows the relation between. Okay, so that's why it is a preposition of place. Now we will see preposition of movement. Preposition of movement shows movement from one place to another. Movement itself indicates that something is moving from one place to another. That is called the preposition of movement. Okay. For example, we will see I swam across the river. I swam across the river. It means I swam across means moving. Here motion, here action is that. It shows that a preposition of movement that Ramesh walked into the room. Where he walked? Into the room. So here movement is noticed. That's why it is the preposition of movement. So dear children, this is the chapter 19 prepositions. You please go through the chapter and read properly and try to understand. If you have any doubt, please call me and message me. And I will be sending you the PDF for you to complete your copy. Exercise A and B will be sent to you. Please write in your copy. And if you have any doubt, please call me or message me. Thank you.